Hi, everyone. I just want to give you a few short directions for today's activity about saving and spending. So, you are going to start the day off with a video. It's very short and sweet. We have had some videos from this person before. It's Teaching Without Frills. So, she's going to run you through the difference between saving, spending, and even earning some money. Then you're going to have a few short slides where there are going to be some bolded vocabulary words like we've had before. So we first talk about, about saving or spending some money here. So you see spend first. We talk about spending money, which we do quite often, okay, on goods and services. We hear those vocab words we've been talking about for weeks now, right? Goods are those tangible items where we can hold them in our hands, right? We can hold them and touch them. We have them around our house. We have them in our backpacks and things, right? Some goods are used up and some goods we get to keep. And then when we save our money, we hold it. So we might have it in a piggy bank. We might have it in our bank. We spend it later. Sometimes we spend things now. Sometimes we save it and we spend it later. Then at the bottom, we have the word deposit and withdraw. And depositing money, we put it in the bank. And a deposit just means to put in. The bank will hold it for us to withdraw or take it out later. So there's some more details there with those words that you can read. And then on slide 3, you have the word interest. It's the only vocabulary word here. And interest means once you deposit that money that you read on slide 2, when you deposit it for the bank to hold on to, it makes interest. So if we put money in there while it's sitting in there waiting for you, it's going to make some interest. So you basically make some money or you earn some money while the bank is holding on to your money. So that's always a good thing, right? Then on slide 4, it's just continuing to talk about saving, spending, and interest money. There's no new vocabulary words here, so make sure you read for detail. Slide 5, it's just, oh, look at all that money, right? In that little piggy bank. It's talking about adding up, still talking about some interest here. So talking about saving some money. If you don't spend your money, what's going to happen? I have one of these types of jars. It looks like a paint bucket in my house. And all the extra money that I find in my purse or even in my teaching bag, sometimes I just toss some coins in there. I just take it out and I put it in that paint bucket. Obviously, there's no paint in there. It's meant to be a little piggy bank, but it's like money I don't even have. And then at the end of the year, I take it to the bank, and that's the money that I take for spending money on my vacations. So then on slide 6, we wrap up with another short video. It's like a little lesson video on saving and spending and what are smart things to think about when you want to run off and buy something just because someone else has it and it's the cool thing to do. What are some things you should think about before you do that? And maybe how to save your money and spend it in better ways. Okay? Enjoy.